that too many cooks in the kitchen can oftentimes be a recipe for disaster. In Advise-On, full system privileges can result in accidental changes that impact important business processes like billing and reporting. So we've added important new permissions to billing and clients that firm admins can apply to control create, view, edit, and delete privileges for each user. For billing, this includes user access to the Billing Center app, billing setting assignment, access to billing reports, and the AUM versus collected fees widget found on dashboards. For clients, control who can create new clients, edit profile settings and status, as well as financial info found on net worth, budget, insurance, and financial goals. Create a new permission to access these additional options under the drop-down menus for billing and clients. Then apply your new permission to users from the designated Users tab.